So let's get started. We're going to draw Spider-Man with the Spidey sense. Alright, let's get started, alright? It's going to be easy, simple for beginners to stay around. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw the curvature right here of the front of his face. Line over here. Curve line around the top. Down over here. Back. Up. Curve over here. And kind of attach there for the head. I pull down here for the neck. Down here for the neck. Curve over here. Line over here. Curve over here. Line across. Kind of that's the elbow. He's gonna have his arm like he's going like, what? What's going on? You know? Gonna go right here, gonna pull in the elbow in a little bit. Gonna go here and draw the muscle of the forearm. Pull up. And then we're gonna have his hand on this side, and we're gonna have his pinky finger. Curve right here for like a fat pad. Curve over here. Now we're gonna throw another finger sticking out here, okay? We're gonna throw out, down, up. Down over here. Down over here. And then curve right there for the thumb. Line, line. Gonna go here, find the back right there of the shoulder. Downward, like so. Curve. Curve right here for the pattern on the uniform. Down right here, and right here we draw the rib cage. Down. Down over here. Curve. Downward. Curve, curve, curve right here for the serratus muscles. If you want to learn about muscles, go check out the Skillshare that I have in the description. I talk all about anatomy on those free lessons on Skillshare. I think you get Skillshare for free like a month, I think, if you sign up. You can learn anatomy completely for free if you go over there in the description. So definitely check that out if you're interested in learning anatomy. Curve right here, curve right here, down, down over here for kind of the pectoralis. Now I'm going to go over here to the eyes real quick, and I'm going to go right here, curve out, see his eyes going around the corner. Over here on this side, curve out, curve out. And we're making his head a little bit smaller so it looks like he's turning up. That's kind of the point. Line over here, flatten it out. And now we're going to go in and do the easy part, which is kind of the lines on the outfit. So we're going to start with a circle in the center of the face. Line, line, line. Line, 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 line. Line over here as it's coming out. Kind of from that center line. And now I'm going to go and curve and draw the webs. Right here as well, just kind of curve, curve, curve in a circular manner. Curve, curve, curve. The cool part is for this area, you can just draw literally a checkerboard. like so. Downward over here as well. And you don't even have to draw the whole thing. You can draw it relatively quick and relatively, you know, just kind of indication-wise. You can draw it like an indication. For right here, you want to wrap the lines right there around the arm. Kind of like your watch, you know, it curves. Just kind of wrap these lines. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Down, down. And now we're going to go over here and draw the lines right here for the Spidey sense. Like, what? Give it a little bit of a thickness. It can be any kind of lightning bolt. Don't worry about it. But I want to make it go all the way around. Right there. Right there. Same thing, just kind of going around. We got that Spidey sense. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like Spider-Man stuff. And I can do a lot more of it. If you have any requests, please let me know. And I will do more whatever you want. You just got to request it, okay, in the comments. This is largely a request channel. Thank you so much. Alrighty. So one more thing. I want to draw a little bit of a thicker line around this hand here. Because I need it to stand out from the outfit, because it's the same, see, just a little bit of a thicker line. Because it's the same pattern, I want it to stand out a bit. And then maybe draw a little bit of a thicker line here. I want to thank you very much for watching. You guys are amazing, and I hope you have a great time and a great day. Yeah, message me in the comments section, and I will talk to you later, okay? Talk to you soon. What I want you to do is also check out the links in the description. There's a whole lot of stuff there. You can check out the main website at sketchingeasy.com. See you later, guys. Thank you so much. See ya.